Kids Safari.
Moral stories.
Honest Woodcutter and the River Fairy. Once upon a time, in a quiet village near a forest, lived a poor woodcutter. Every day, he went into the forest, chopped wood, and sold it in the village to earn a little money. One day, while he was cutting wood, his axe slipped and fell into the deep river. The woodcutter was very sad. That axe was all he had. Now, how could he work? Suddenly, the river shimmered, and a beautiful river fairy appeared. The woodcutter was shocked and surprised.
Dear Woodcutter, why are you so sad?
I lost my axe while I was cutting wood. How can I work now?
The fairy dives and returns with a shining golden axe.
Is this your axe?
No, that's not mine.
The fairy dives again and comes up with a silver axe.
Is this one yours?
No, that's not mine either.
The fairy dives once more and returns with the old iron axe.
And is this your axe?
Yes! That's my axe!
The fairy smiles and floats in the air. She gives all 3 axes to the woodcutter.
Because you were honest, you may keep all 3 axes.
The woodcutter was overjoyed. His honesty had brought him more than he ever expected. And from that day on, he lived happily and helped others too.
Good things come to those who are truthful.